Today unboxing is on the TLV Mitsubishi Pajero. Many of you comment on the unusual box size for this Pajero. Me too, I also wonder why it's so big. And today, instead of just solely unboxing the new Pajero, I also will do a comparison between the retired Toyota Land Cruiser as well as the Nissan Safari. They comes in a smaller elongated box and much smaller than the new Mitsubishi Pajero. The Mitsubishi Pajero is a whole new casting for TLV. Despite the large box, it's light, it's not that heavy. It also comes with an additional mirror which you need to install yourself. I wonder why. I rather it comes pre-installed. And this casting looks solid, it's great. The sunroof is beautifully crafted and the paint job is flawless. What really amazed me that it comes in chrome parts. Usually TLV doesn't come with chrome parts, but not for the Pajero. The side mirror also comes with chrome finish as well, hence you must handle this with extreme care, especially for chrome finish parts. The spare wheel is exactly the same as the wheel set. No shortcut here, it has to be the same given for such price point. And I'm glad that the base is highly detailed, it's really penny well spent. Next is the second variation for the Mitsubishi Pajero. You can see the additional mirror comes as a separate component, which you need to assemble yourself, usually by gluing. I rather wish it comes pre-installed with such price point. I prefer this than the previous variant. I think the blue stripe is very iconic and true to the Mitsubishi Pajero. Apart from the color variation, I think everything is the same as the previous Pajero. The same quality with precision and realism, true to 1/64 scale. Overall, I'm very happy with this pair of Pajero. I think TLV did a great job, and I believe just like the Toyota Land Cruiser, more variation will be coming up for the Pajero. Remember the box size, and now let's do a comparison between the Pajero with the Safari and also the Land Cruiser to see whether such a huge box is justifiable for the Pajero. Apart from the Pajero, which is wider than the Nissan Safari, I don't see any big difference in size, and I believe that the Pajero definitely can fit inside the Nissan Safari box. Although they come in different box size, you can see that the Pajero is almost consistent with the Safari and the Land Cruiser, and no doubt they really looks good as a group shot, and I'm looking forward to see more Pajero variant as well. Remember to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thanks everyone, bye!